Today is December 31st, 2025, and we are now on the threshold of the year 2026. As we celebrate the New Year's Eve Mass, let me share my reflection on the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Luke, chapter 2, verses 6 to 21. And the Gospel for today shows us the shepherds who, after encountering the Christ child, return glorifying and praising God, carrying with them the blessing of having seen God's faithfulness. And this beautifully speaks to how we should end the year on the New Year's Eve. Not with noise alone, with fireworks, but with gratitude, with praise, and the sharing of blessings. As Mary treasured all these things in her heart, and as Jesus was named and welcomed into the covenant, we are reminded that every ending is also a sacred moment of entrusting the future to God. The year that has passed may have carried struggles for some of us, maybe wounds, unfinished stories. But like the shepherds, we are invited to go home changed, choosing to bless rather than complain, choosing to forgive rather than resentment or anger, and to speak life rather than bitterness. In a special way, parents are called to bless their children before the year ends, for a spoken blessing carries healing, identity, progress, and hope. Children grow not only from discipline, but from words that affirm God's goodness in them. The father, in particular, of the family, is called to be a source of blessing in the home, reflecting God, the Father, whose love gives affection and direction, security and grace. My dear friends, as we cross into the new year, let us never deny anyone our blessing, whether family, neighbor, or even those who hurt us, because a blessing given in faith has the power to close the year in peace and open the next one in grace. Thank you, 2025, and we welcome 2026. And may the Lord continue to bless us, give us more blessings as we welcome the year 2026. Happy New Year to all of you, my dear friends. Amen.